Hey everyone! I am working with several clients who have been experiencing heavy profit losses due to shoplifting, theft, and fraud. I have been asked to research more into retail loss prevention, look at their company data, and come up with ways in which they can address the issues and gain more revenue. I already spent some time doing the industry research, looking at their confidential data, and conducting interviews to learn more. Since the data is confidential, I will use Cephable to analyze the notes and help me get the most important information. Let's take a look at this retail loss prevention white paper first. It has some really good industry notes that I would like to synthesize. To do this, let's open the document, select all the text, choose Summary, add highlighted text for the context, and then input our instructions. While that runs, I'm going to continue reading my notes. It seems like the summary completed, so I'm going to go to my dashboard and go to History, where I can then look at the final result. Here is the summary. Now I can copy this using the copy button, open a new Word document, and paste the information here. Now I can save it back into my original folder. I could continue to do this summary in the panel with my other documents individually. However, that will take a very long time. Instead, let's use Cephable's automate functionality to read through the entirety of this folder and create summaries for each of my clients first. I'm going to change the mode to automate and give it my first client's context in order to summarize the information from the interviews and the financial data that I have. I'm going to give it the instructions and let it continue. At any point, you can collapse the panel and continue working in your workspace while Cephable does the summarizations in the background. It seems like this is done. As you can see, it went ahead and found all the documents relevant to the client and summarized the information, noting it in a file at the end for us to take a look at. I'm going to continue this process with my second client and repeat. The summary for my second client is now done. As you can see, it went ahead to Trailhead Outfitters and similarly got all the information to then create a summary of the notable information. Now I'm going to finish up with my third client before we start creating a PowerPoint presentation. The final summary is now done, and now we're going to go ahead and start creating a PowerPoint presentation from these summary documents. Cephable created the PowerPoint presentation as requested, including a slide with suggestions on how to mitigate retail loss prevention. From here, I can use my own themes, modify the outline, and refine it for my clients.